Hi, Dino. How are you?
Huh?
Dino, would you like to play with balloons and learn colors with us?
Hmm.
Let's start then. Let's blow up this balloon. Yellow. Whoa, that was great!
Woohoo!
Let's do it again. Red.
Woohoo!
Green.
Woohoo!
Blue.
Huh? Woohoo!
Pink.
Hmm.
Dino, which balloon would you like to blow up first?
Uh-huh.
Great, let's start. Orange.
Woohoo!
Purple.
Woohoo!
Well done, Dino! We learned so many colors today.
Uh-huh.
Yellow. Red. Green. Blue. Pink. Orange. Purple.
Huh?
See you soon, my friends!